Now, every actor and every actress, of course, has a list of actors and directors they want to work with. You've worked with quite many yourself. So now tell us which actors you want to work with, directors, and you name it.
I've already been, lucky to have worked with 7 national award-winning directors back to back, and obviously all the others that I've worked with. But if given a chance, I'd love to work with filmmakers who I so believe in their art and craft, like Anurag Kashyap, Tigmanshu Dhulia, Neeraj Pandey, they're Rajkumar Hirani. They're such fine filmmakers. They keep pushing the envelope, trying different cinema.
Yeah.
And I've always catered to that. So I'd love to do films with them, yeah.
You heard it from the horse's mouth. Now, in our Bollywood Buzz, we tell you what makes Vidya Balan really, really happy, and all about the special service that brought together sisters Nora Jones and Anushka Shankar. Take a look.
Vidya Balan had quite a ball in Melbourne when she was first chosen as the brand ambassador for the Melbourne Film Festival last year. And on Saturday night, the lady returned to reprise the role with Malaika Arora Khan for company. And looks like the actor who's been sweeping all the laurels this year has by now become a pro with acceptance speeches.
It gives me great pleasure to be the brand ambassador second year in a row for the Melbourne Film Festival. It's also become that there's a sense of ownership now, not just to do with the festival, but I think Melbourne. When anyone mentions Melbourne, I feel like they're mentioning home.
Pandit Ravi Shankar's musician daughters Nora Jones and Anushka Shankar, along with wife Sukanya, were among many who came together to pay tribute to the late sitar maestro at his memorial service in the capital on Sunday. And though Nora Jones didn't address the crowd, her half-sister and an emotional Anushka did have a few lines in place.
In the months since he passed away, I have looked back at countless memories, realizing I took for granted his genius. He taught me by example about dedication, values and commitment, how to express feelings through sound.
Evening also saw Prime Minister Manmohan Singh's wife, Gursharan Kaur, launch a graphic autobiography of the global musician. And finally, we leave you with a peek into the late musician's life captured by cinematographer and director Alan Kozlowski. Entertainment Bureau, CNN, IBN.